Hello and welcome to IsaanFlicks. I'm out in my front garden just checking on a stray dog that adopted me some 18 months ago. Follows me around when I go out on my walks with our dog. But the other morning she gave me a surprise. Well, not really, I knew she was pregnant, but she ended up with 2 puppies outside the front garden. So I thought I'd put a little video together and share it with everyone else. So I hope you enjoy. There you go, they're asleep at the moment. This is the first morning outside our front gate. She had made a little nest house, whatever you want to call it, out of leaves under a bush. Nature taking care of itself. My wife thought it would be safer to bring them inside because she's on the edge of the road and some trucks come by, and not only that, she was worried about snakes and ants. So she's now in our front garden under a mango tree. It's day 2 and they seem to be doing rather well. It's quite amazing how quickly they do grow and move around. I have to confess, I'm not a real dog lover. Okay, I like dogs, but I suppose when they're newborn like this, who doesn't love them? Well, I hope you enjoyed this little clip of the new additions to our household, and look forward to seeing you in my next video. And I hope you do check out our channel. So that's it from me. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.